Does Webull allow crypto trading? Webull, a popular online brokerage platform, has expanded its offerings to include cryptocurrency trading. However, unlike its traditional stock trading platform, Webull's crypto trading features are accessible through a separate app called Webull Pay. This distinct platform provides users with a convenient and user-friendly interface for buying, selling, and holding various cryptocurrencies. One of the key advantages of using Webull Pay is its wide selection of cryptocurrencies. The platform offers access to popular digital assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other prominent altcoins. This diverse range of options allows users to diversify their portfolios and explore different investment strategies. Webull Pay also provides a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for both experienced traders and newcomers to navigate the cryptocurrency market. The app offers real-time price charts, market news, and educational resources to help users stay informed and make informed trading decisions. In addition to buying and selling cryptocurrencies, Webull Pay also allows users to hold their digital assets securely within the platform. Webull employs robust security measures to protect user funds and data, giving users peace of mind when storing their cryptocurrencies. While Webull Pay offers a convenient way to trade cryptocurrencies, it's important to note that the platform's features and offerings may differ from those of other crypto trading platforms. Users should carefully research and compare different options to find the platform that best suits their needs and preferences. In conclusion, Webull Pay provides a convenient and user-friendly platform for trading cryptocurrencies. With its wide selection of digital assets, intuitive interface, and secure storage options, Webull Pay offers a valuable tool for investors looking to participate in the cryptocurrency market.